Mine, I've slept all day nearly. It's nearly getting dark. If you want to know why, just watch this little clip. Last night shift, can you see us there? Last night shift. So, we're going to drive to work. I know I'm not going to show you, but there's a little part I need to kind of show you. And then I'll do my work, and then I'll see you in the morning. Right, let's get all this surround. So we're just coming in. I just want to just show you the lights. Now I'm thinking all this is now for Christmas, because normally what happens, and this is, you know, where I got the seaweed with Daisy, and we're actually seeing the surf as the yesterday or today, if you know where I'm recording this. But it's normally, and I think it's Octoberish, we have what we call like the illuminations, and this full stretch of right up to the top of the hill, which we're going to go to, is like full of the lights, and there's like a little fairs and there's all sorts. But it seems we didn't have that this year, and they've got this like big Ferris wheel that comes, and there's loads of like stalls and donut stalls, and there's like a big park on the other side, on the right hand side here, and that's all illuminated as well, on different like art sculptures. But it obviously hasn't been on this year, and it looks like, I've got a feeling like they've just lit everything up what they've got already for like Christmas. Now I know these look like Christmas ones, so I'm thinking they're combining, they're just making hopefully everything as best as they can for people, you know, because normally this place is all heaving this time of year, you know what I mean? There's like folks out at partying and everything, but it's just, you can see the roads are just dead, you know what I mean? So it's a little bit strange, to be honest, but I thought I'd come this way. Like I say, I'm going to work, doing my last night shift, and I've got me 4 days off, and we'll have some time in the garden, I'm sure, over them 4 days. But I thought it'd be nice just to kind of come this way and then show you, you know. And that roundabout one, that light's always there. That's been there for a few days. And this is where, like I say, it normally, where that, you can see actually the lighthouse there lit up. It's normally on that grass there that everybody, you know, there's all different stalls and everything. And it goes right up here, but for, you know, it's with the way things are this year, it's all, and you know, good on the council for kind of still getting the lights up and lighting it and just making it a little bit of a kind of nicer place than just a dark, dreary. And I used to always, before me, you know, like me discovery of torches, you know, I was always a little bit kind of a little bit strange feeling with the dark nights coming. I always used to look forward to like the illuminations, but I'm all right now with my torches. It just hasn't bothered us one bit, to be honest. And then we're coming now into the kind of the final leg of it, and all that is like the sea there, and then we take a sharp right at the bottom, and then we start going back into the kind of the Sunderland area. But I thought it'd be nice just to kind of show you what we normally do at Christmas and the illuminations, and it's a little bit muted, but it's still nice to see. Do you know what I mean? It's like you see, there's all vendors selling like twirly glow things and everything. It's a real good atmosphere, but like I say, not this year, but it's as best we can. But now I've got to get to the coal face, and yes, 9 hours, put a 9-hour shift in there, and I'll see you back in the morning. There we go. She's now time to finish there. We've got to wear masks all around in the company there now. So that's it. Let's get this. And that's it. 4 days off. Thank you very much. What a feel, man. You're almost giddy, aren't you? You know? Seeing there's no better feeling than this, man, just for like clearing the mind, and like there's a nice fresh wind there. Got the dog there. The other ones are looking a little bit kind of, she's going out again. Right. What I have got is at the fleece for in here, so I thought I'll just have a little look at it, put it on me The important stuff. Let's just put you there and we'll have a little quick look. Right. Because I was just only ordered yesterday when it came first thing this morning. So I've got two 10 metres of it. Just and I thought that would go nice just on either side. Gardening naturally. So hopefully that is a little easy way to get in. It's a bit like clothes. There you go. 30 gram type. Yeah, I'll put a link on if you want some, but I'm just getting ready for the winter, just to see if I can keep some of the, these going as long as possible, and then in the spring as well. And I'll leave them there for safekeeping. Right, they're going there for safekeeping. I'll probably put some. I was looking at when you look there, mind you, should just pull that up and just clean it, you know what I mean, get some soil on it, some goodness on it. But for the spinach is looking good, but it's getting a bit chewed, this side, way more than that side. They're the ideal size leaf, aren't they, to pick. So that's, I can't see with my glasses, can you see? I'll see it when Lazio F1, oh, bloody bugger you, Tony. And this is perpetual, I think. I might put a little bit on that as well, just over the winter months, just to see if it'll keep. That's what I'm going to do as well. That's it, man. I'm only playing in the garden, But now it was Sean. I even kept Sean Moss said he thinks that is a red meat winter radish. Now Sean, I've got, and he says you cut it in half, there'll be like a sunburst inside it. Now I know these ones of mine are red meat, but I don't know if they're the same. Well, they're certainly not the same variety. But I think I'll get my knife and we'll cut it into them, and we'll see what they are. Because that big one, as if came from the kind of mixed salad. Just they use them for like baby leaves, and I just let it grow. I picked it out actually, just let it come away by itself, and I got it free. I think it's a radish. Right, going into the, yes, organisations. Look at that, straight away I can go to the knife. There's no messing around there. I know every tool is. That's still got to be done. He's here as windshield. I do know what I'm moaning on about it, but I don't get me finger out and do it. So where did I put that? There we go. I'll pick one of these ones, just because I'm still waiting. I don't know when these are kind of ready. Oh. Get days. Right, come on, get off. I'll pick that one. There's an experiment. So they look totally different, mind you. So I'm going to cut them in half and see what they get. We'll do in here because it'll be a bit easier for us. So Sean is saying, now I know this is a red meat, but I don't know what it's like. It's actually nicer when you leave them, because that's like bullet. What did Sean say it was? It was a red meat winter radish. That might be a generic name for them. So, see. What do you think then? What is it? Sean, you were wrong, lad. Is it one of them? Is it Dachau or Dak? Oh. So this is a wed. Oh. Can you see? I mean, we've actually had some of this, mind you. Don't get us wrong. I've picked a couple. I'm not sure how long to leave them now, but there we go. Still none the wiser on what this is though, but this is the days, it just gets me sometimes, you know what I mean? It's now in the garden sees it all, and that's why I love gardening, mind you. because you do see the days, the times and the seasons. Like I say, I got up I finished work, the sun was rising over there. Now it's just about setting there, and just a fabulous time to be garden minded. Get yourself in a garden and just enjoy it. And if you're lucky enough to have a look at the sea now and again and lift your spirits as well, don't forget tomorrow, you're just sitting there, lads. Don't forget, tomorrow is the live show, 7 p.m. UK time. So let's just get what you're getting. So do hopefully you can pop over to the potting shed. I'm trying to let people know well in advance that it's on. So it's 7 p.m. UK time. Bring a little drink. Look after yourselves. Take good care.